Hello and welcome to another update video about Chiliz. So Chiliz is working out as expected at the moment. I think for Chiliz, the wave C downtrend has started. This looks quite impulsive at the moment. So yeah, we're going to zoom in a minute what that actually means. Overall, Chiliz is one of the better charts in our crypto circle here, I would say. Yeah, you will remember that we talked about this being a wave one to the upside. Then we talked about this upcoming retracement going to go into the green target area, which it did. Yeah, perfect. Then I talked about a wave B going into the green one, which also happened. I took profits yesterday at 20.2, 20.3 cents. I think we spiked at 20.5 or something, so I'm extremely happy about that. And now we're coming down to here in a wave C. What is my plan? We talk about that as well. But the point is that if we are now in this 1-2 setup, that is actually a generally bullish setup. Yeah. I primarily expect us to come down lower in wave C, and ideally we are holding the 12.5 cent level. It could drop below that and still be, let's say, bullish. Of course, short-term retracement in a wave C expected. At the latest, below 10.5 cents, you know, that's over. That is the 88.7% FIB level. Below that level, invalidation will get very likely, and that means that the bullish scenario is probably not going to work out. Already the 78.6% level is a critical level that needs to hold. But the point is, wave A was so long that I think wave C could get down to the 10.4 cent level, 10.5, yeah, the 88.7 retracement. So yeah, I would still accept it here as a possible reversal point, but then below that for Chiliz, I think we are in invalidation mode, which means that this whole move to the upside will then have to be counted as a corrective move, and the move down will be impulsive. So then we will expect a drop below 8 cents as well. Therefore, crucial that this green area is eventually holding. I bought originally when we hit here the 50% retracement, which was at around about 18.5 cents, I think, or 19, something around that. And I took profits yesterday here pretty much at the top, not quite, but at 10.3 cents, 20.3 cents, I think. And it's now coming down nicely. I will buy again as we go lower, yeah, and as we go deeper into the green area, but I probably won't start buying until we hit here the 61.8 or 78.6 retracement. At the moment, it's not even entirely clear if that wave B is already finished, because we've really only hit the minimum that you would want to see in a wave B. So it could still push higher. Absolutely, yeah. All of this, for example, just to give you an example, this could still be an ongoing wave B, right? A wave B is very complex. I'm just thinking, I mean, this could be what I have labeled as B wave. All of that could just be the wave A. There will be a B down and a C up in B. I don't want to make it too complex, but the point is here that in terms of the Fibonacci retracements for that B wave, we have really only done the absolute minimum. So we need to be open to the idea. Yeah, we've come down to the 80, we've come up to the 38.2 retracement. So we need to be open to the idea that this could still max out the green area up there. Therefore, I have only taken 50% of profits. And however, if we lose the previous swing low here at 17.8 cents, I think that is the confirmation we need that wave C is ongoing. At the moment, it is, you know, indicating it because we got rejected very strongly from the 38.2 retracement, but it's not confirmation yet. I think, you know, if we go really below the wave 4 low, then that would be confirmation for me enough to say wave C is pretty clearly unfolding. Yeah, that's my update about Chiliz. So overall, afterwards though, I would expect after wave C is finished, I would expect at the moment, from what I can see, the wave 3 to the upside, and I can give you a rough target for the wave 3, and that would be, assuming, you know, I just have to assume something now. Let's assume we come down to 12.5 cents, because based on how low we go in wave 2, that will change the target for the third wave to the upside. So the third wave target to the upside would be around 44.6 cents. That is usually the minimum target. Okay, that's my update about Chiliz. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.